Working with text. Similar to a slide, we can copy, move, and delete text or an object on a slide. To perform any of these operations, we first need to select the text that is to be copied, moved, and deleted. Copying a text. Follow the given steps to copy text. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on the Edit menu. 3. Select the copy option. 4. Place the cursor at the location in the same presentation or another presentation where the copied text needs to be placed. 5. Click on the Edit menu and select the Paste option. The copied text appears. Moving text. Follow the given steps to move text. 1. Select the text. 2. Click on the Edit menu. 3. Select the Cut option. The text is removed from its place. 4. Place the cursor at the location in the same presentation or another presentation where the text needs to be placed. 5. Click on the Edit menu and select the Paste option. The text appears. Deleting text. Follow the given steps to delete text. 1. Select the text. 2. Press the Delete key or press the Backspace key. We can also delete text character by using the Backspace or Delete key. The Backspace key deletes the text from the right side of the text, whereas the Delete key removes the text from its left side. Undo and redo. Undo means to roll back the most recent action performed. The undo feature cancels the last change made in the impressed slide. We can select the undo command from the Edit menu to perform the undo operation. On the other hand, the redo feature is just opposite the undo feature. It reverses the action of the last undo command. We can select the redo command from the Edit menu to perform the redo operation. We can also use the Ctrl+Z for undo and Ctrl+Y for redo operations. Or we can click on the undo and redo icons from the standard toolbar to perform undo or redo operations. Formatting text. Similar to Writer, we can also format text in Impress also. Most of the formatting operations are available in the Properties pane. The Properties pane contains character and paragraph formatting options. It can be opened by clicking on the property icon from the sidebar. Let us discuss about the options present in the Properties pane. We can also use the formatting options from the Format menu. Font name. It allows us to change the font of the text on a slide. Font size. It allows us to increase or decrease the font size of the text. Bold. It makes the text darker. Italic. It makes the text slanted. Underline. It underlines the text. Strike through. It allows us to cross out the text that is not required but don't want to delete. Toggle shadow. It applies or removes shadow from the text. Clear direct formatting. It removes all formatting from the text. Increase font size. It increases the font size. Decrease font size. It decreases the font size. Font color. It applies or removes color of text. Character highlighting color. It highlights the text with color. Set character spacing. It allows to set the spacing between characters. Superscript. Raise the select text above the baseline. Subscript. It lowers the text below the baseline. Toggle unordered list. It allows us to create a bulleted list. Toggle ordered list. It allows us to create a numbered list. Align left. It allows us to align the text to the left. Align right. It allows us to align the text to the right. Align center. It allows us to align the text to the center. Justified. It allows us to align the text between left and right edges. Align top. It aligns the text to the top. Center vertically. It aligns the text between the top and the bottom edges. Align bottom. It aligns the text to the bottom. Paragraph spacing. It allows us to set spacing between paragraphs. Set line spacing. It allows us to set spacing between lines. Increase or decrease indent. These options allow us to increase or decrease indent in lines. Viewing a presentation. A presentation can be viewed in many ways. There are 7 types of presentation views in Impress, which are normal, outline, notes, slide sorter, slide master, notes master, handout master. We can access these options from the view menu. Normal view. Normal view is the default view. In this view, we can work on individual slides. This view allows us to add, remove, and format text. In this view, the window is divided into 2 panes. The left pane is known as Slides pane, which contains the thumbnail view of all the slides in the presentations. The right pane is known as the workspace where the main slide is displayed. Outline view. It comprises all the presentation slides in order. It displays each slide in outline format. With the workspace, just in text included in each slide is displayed. It shows the slide text as a structure. Notes view. The Notes view is used to add notes to a slide for the presentator's help. Notes are not visible to the audience while showing the presentation. Slide sorter view. Slide sorter view shows the small thumbnails of all the slides available in the presentation. It allows to arrange the slides in a particular order or change the position of a slide in the presentation. Working with tables. A table is a combination of rows and columns. Every row and column intersect with each other to form a cell. A cell is the main area which contains a value.
In LibreOffice Impress, we can add a table by using the Insert menu or by using the Insert Table icon from the Table toolbar.
Creating a table. Follow the given steps to add a table by using the Insert menu. 1. Place the cursor on the slide where the table needs to be inserted. 2. Click on the Insert menu. 3. Click on the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. 4. Enter the number of columns and rows in the number of columns and number of rows boxes, respectively. In our case, we have entered 4 columns and 4 rows. 5. Click on OK button. 1. Click on the table icon on the Table toolbar. A grid appears. 2. Move the mouse pointer over the cells and click on the last cell to which the table needs to be created. The table is inserted on the slide. Other options of the Table toolbar get active. Some of the important options add as follows. Entering data into a table. After creating a table, we can enter data into it. We need to click in the cell to enter data. 1. Click in the first cell of the table and type the desired value. 2. Press the Tab key to go to the next cell. 3. Type the desired value. 4. Similarly, add the value in each cell of the table. We can also use the arrow keys to move the cursor from one cell to another. Selection in a table. We can select a cell, a row, a column, or an entire table. To select a cell, position the mouse cursor along its left edge, and when the cursor changes to a sloped white arrow, press left mouse button. To select a row or column in a table, click in the row or column to be selected, drag it to the end of the row or column. To select an entire table, click in the first cell and drag to the last cell or click on its edge. Changing column width and row height. Impress allows us to change the width of the columns and height of rows. We can also change the size of the entire table. Follow the given steps to change the width of a column. 1. Move the mouse pointer over the line between the 2 columns. 2. When the mouse pointer changes to a sign, drag it until the column achieves the desired width. The same can be done for adjusting the row height. In the same way, we can change the height of a row. Table border and background. Similar to Writer, we can apply different formatting options on the table like border and background color. Follow the given steps to change the border style and background of a table. 1. Select the table. 2. Click on the Table Properties button on the Table toolbar. The Table Properties dialog box appears. 3. Click on the Borders tab. 4. Select the border from the present options or define the border in the user-defined box. 5. Select the border line style from the Style drop-down list. 6. Select the color of the border from the Color drop-down list. 7. Select the width of the border from the Width drop-down list. 8. Click on the Background tab. The 6 buttons None, Color, Gradient, Image Pattern and Hatch appear. 9. Click on the Desired button. In our case, we have clicked on the Color button to set the color in the background of the selected table. 10. Click on OK button. The selected border and background will apply to the selected table. We can open the Table Properties dialog box by right-clicking on the selected table and selecting the Table Properties option. Deleting a table. Follow the given steps to delete a table. 1. Select the table. 2. Click on the Delete Selected Table button on the Table toolbar. Or 1. Select the table. 2. Right-click on the selected table. 3. Select the Delete, then Delete Table option. Working with images. Images make the presentation more impressive and meaningful. In Impress, images can be inserted from the computer as well as from the gallery. Gallery is a collection of pre-designed images. Inserting image from computer. Follow the given steps to insert an image from the computer. 1. Place the cursor where the image to be inserted. 2. Click in the Insert menu. 3. Click on the Image option. The Insert Image dialog box appears. 4. Navigate to location where the image is saved. 5. Select the image to be inserted. 6. Click on Open button. The selected image gets inserted to the slide. Inserting image from gallery. Follow the given steps to insert an image from the gallery. 1. Place the cursor where the image to be inserted. 2. Click in the Insert menu. 3. Click on the Media option. A submenu appears. 4. Click on the Gallery option. The gallery pane appears. 5. Select the desired category. The related images appear in the lower selection of the gallery pane. 6. Drag the desired image on the slide. The image will appear on the slide with the resize handles around it. We can also open the gallery pane by clicking on the Gallery button from the sidebar. Formatting images. Similar to text, we can format images in the Impress presentation. We can increase or decrease the size of the image, rotate the image, move the image from one place to another. Resizing an image. Resizing means to change the size of the image. When we add an image from the computer or gallery, image appears on the slide with resize handles. We can use any resize handle to increase or decrease the size of the image. Follow the given steps to resize an image. 1. Move the mouse pointer over the resize handle of the image. The mouse pointer will change into two-headed arrow. 2. Click and drag towards outside to increase the size or inside to decrease the size. The size of the image will increase or decrease. Rotating an image. Rotating an image means to change the angle of display of the image. The image can be rotated in any direction using the rotate icon. Follow the given steps to rotate an image. 1. Select the image. 2. Click on the Root button from the Image toolbar. The selection handles are converted into rotate handles. 3. Move the mouse pointer over any corner. The mouse pointer changes into rotate circle. 4. Drag it to any direction to rotate the image at the desired angle. Moving an image. We can move an image from one place to another in an Impress presentation. Follow the given steps to move an image. 1. Select the image. 2. Drag the image from one place to another. The image will move. Managing graphic objects. Apart from images, Impress also gives us facility to add simple graphical objects like lines, shapes, flowcharts, emojis, callouts, etc. Drawing tools. Impress has several drawing tools through which we can create different types of shapes in a presentation. All the drawing tools are present on the drawing toolbar. We can access the drawing toolbar from the View, then Toolbars, then Drawing option. We can also access these shapes from Insert, then Shapes option from the menu bar. Drawing lines. There are two types of lines in Impress: simple lines and lines with arrows. Follow the given steps to draw lines. 1. Open the slide in which the lines to be drawn. 2. Click on the Insert Lines tool from the Drawing toolbar to draw simple line. 3. Drag on the slide to draw a line. The line is drawn and the properties of the line appear in the Properties pane. We can change the line width, color, transparency, corner style, etc. from the Properties pane. Drawing lines and arrows. Follow the given steps to draw lines and arrows. 1. Click on the down arrow of the Lines and Arrows buttons. Various styles of lines with arrows appear. 2. Select the desired style. 3. Drag on the slide to draw line with arrow. The line with arrow is drawn. Drawing shapes. In an Impress presentation, we can draw different types of shapes like rectangle, rounded rectangle, triangle, square, etc. using the Shapes tools. Follow the given steps to draw shapes. 1. Click on the Basic Shapes button on the Drawing toolbar. Various shapes icon appear. 2. Select the desired shape. 3. Drag on the slide to draw the shape. The selected shape is drawn with default background color. We can change the color of the shape from the Properties pane. Similarly, we can draw any kind of shapes like the given below. Grouping drawing objects.
Sometime
we may need to move certain objects from one place to another on a slide. It is very tedious to move objects one by one. Impress allows us to group several objects to work like a single object. Grouped objects can be moved, deleted, copied, and formatted as a single object. Follow the given steps to group the objects on a slide. 1. Click on the Select tool from the Drawing toolbar. 2. Draw a rectangle around the objects to be grouped. All the objects are selected. If the slide contains only the objects to be grouped, then click Edit in that Select All or press the Ctrl+A key to select all objects. 3. Click on Format menu. 4. Click on Group option. All the objects are grouped. Or right-click on any select object and select the Group option from the context menu. Ungrouping objects. To ungroup objects, follow the given steps. 1. Select the group object. 2. Select the format, then group, then ungroup option from the menu bar. The objects are ungrouped. Or right-click on the grouped object and select the ungroup option from the context menu.